is Lolo,
Brandy!
and I am a recovering drug addict, and that's where most of my music is inspired by.
I have been through a lot of trials and tribulations. I am scarred, and my scars pretty much tell everybody that I have a troubled past. Most people don't like to ask, but so I don't need to tell them. I sing it in my music.
Most times it's part of life. I enjoy it. So, one good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. Hit me with music. Hit me with music. When my time and presence, I'm always on the road. Wanna see me more often, yet you know I love to travel. Tell me that you love me, I'll tell you the same. Tell me that you miss me, I feel the same way too. But baby, I don't want you to wait for me. This music life you live is only gonna drive you crazy. Find someone new, I'm no good for you. Find someone new, I'm no good for you. Said want my love, but I won't let it out. Keep on knocking, but I won't give it up. Said want my love, but I won't let it out. Keep on knocking, but I won't let it out. Baby, I don't want you to wait for me. This music life you live is only gonna drive you crazy. Find someone new, I'm no good for you. Find someone new, I'm no good for you. Right?
Yeah. You want to wanna love me one more time. You want to love me till the break of dawn until my mind is gone. But I said no, I don't want to go low. You want to go ahead, go and blow. Cause it's music keeps on running through my mind. It's telling me it's about that one time. What it is, what it ain't, what we got, what we came. We're gonna bring down, cause the music is the game. I say
Find someone new, I'm no good for you. Find someone new, I'm no good for you. Said want my love, but you can't get it now. Keep on knocking, but I won't let you in. Said want my love, but you can't get it now. Keep on knocking, but I won't let it out. Find someone new, I'm no good for you. Find someone new, I'm no good for you. Yeah. Don't do drugs.
just make love to the music.
Make love to the music.